Winnie the Humpback Whale, written by Lynn M. LaGarange. Let's see. This is the story of Winnie the Whale, about her fight to freedom and the losing of her tail. Seafaring Winnie was a humpback whale, and the beginning of her story is a very sad tale. Did I say tail? Not on this whale, for Winnie was harpooned and lost her tail. Harpoons are those things that people throw at fish to catch them. The other whales went out to sea, flipping their tails and feeling free. But now poor Winnie stayed down low, for she didn't have a tail to show. Each of the whales, as they swam by, never bothered to give her the eye. Winnie felt so very bad. Not having a tail made her more than sad. Then, one summer day, from across the bay swam a humpback whale named Humphrey Gray. Did I say handsome? That was easy to see. But he was as nearsighted as a whale could be. A stranger, thought Winnie, as he swam to her side, and in whale talk he asked her to go for a ride. Not once did he turn and look at her tail. How different, she thought, from the other male whales. Look. And when he asked, "Do you have a mate?" Winnie coyly answered, "Not to this date." Then Humphrey took over and, flipping his tail, decided to marry the sweet little whale. And Winnie, not bothering to tell him her plight, swam off with dear Humphrey for the rest of her life. The end.